So the Faculty Fellows Symposium is a really exciting annual event here at King's. Normally, when you meet a faculty fellow, they'll be immersed in discussing the classic texts that we studied together here in the foundation year program. But of course, the faculty fellows are also scholars. They're industrious, prolific, and even weird scholars. The Fellows Symposium is a chance to peek behind the curtain. So on Saturday, March 10th, fellows will be giving talks on their own research. But these talks won't be delivered in the highfalutin jargon that you might expect at an academic conference. These are going to be short talks, so 12 to 15 minutes each, and delivered in a way that's accessible to the intelligent non-specialist. So King students and anyone from the larger community who's interested in coming along. Most importantly, there will be cookies.